COVID-19 representational image. According to a new study, patients recovering from COVID-19 may not have much longer protection from future infections, and it stated that the antibodies developed may disappear quickly. Although, there have been reports in the past that have claimed that antibodies to coronavirus last longer, but this new revelation has put us in a fix. Also read, Kriti Sanong confirms she is COVID-19 positive, says be safe, pandemic hasn't gone yet. A new 5-month longitudinal analysis of COVID-19 patients who displayed a wide range of disease severity, from asymptomatic to deadly illness, suggests that IgA and IgM antibodies to the SARS-CoV. Also read, Joe Biden vows to distribute 100 million COVID-19 vaccine doses in first 100 days. IgG antibodies likely persist for longer, but the research team from Stanford University in the US documented a slower, inexorable decline in this antibody class as well, even in severely ill patients who. Also read, Fardeen Khan's weight loss journey, how he lost 18 kgs in 6 months at 46. For the study, published in the journal Science Immunology, the research team studied 983 plasma samples collected up to 5 months post-infection from 79 hospitalized COVID-19 patients and 175 outpatients and ASY. The researchers found a higher ratio of antibodies that react to the viral spike protein complex versus those that target the nucleocapsid protein in patients with mild illness compared with the severely ill patients, suggesting that this preponderance of spike-reactive antibodies may have helped. To facilitate their work, they also developed an immunoassay that can detect successful blocking of the viral receptor binding domain's interaction with the human ACE2 receptor in human samples, providing an effective surrogate for detecting neutralizing antibodies. The authors said their findings may raise important questions about the reliability of seroprevalence studies, since the rapid waning of antibody titers may lead to an underestimation of how many people may have been previously infected in a given population. The decrease in antibodies after infection also raises the question of how long antibodies elicited by vaccination will last, and whether frequent boosting will be needed to maintain protection, the authors noted. Recently, a study published in the Journal of Infectious Diseases in November revealed that the vast majority of individuals have detectable antibodies up to 3 months post-contracting COVID-19 virus. With inputs from Ians, for breaking news and live news updates, like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Read more on latest lifestyle news on India.com. Topics: Antibodies. COVID-19 Health Research. Published date, December 9, 2020, 9:17 a.m. IST. Please support us to grow my channel by subscribing and pressing the bell icon for future interesting lifestyle videos.